What's Salon Solutions? What you can learn from this content. Salon Solutions has 3 types of care: advanced care, hair care, and scalp care. 1. Advanced care. A salon treatment dedicated to addressing aging concerns. Supports the high-quality fostering of hair with items selected based on the customer's concerns and conditions of the hair and scalp. Advanced Care Menu. Select by hair or scalp concerns. 2 intensive care programs which professionally address various aging concerns. With a customized menu plus massage method, the customer will feel the difference immediately after receiving the treatment. Salon Solutions Advanced Care is used in combination with Adenovital to approach customers' hair and scalp concerns. Introducing the product features of Salon Solutions Advanced. Forming a base for better penetration. Salon Solutions Leading Primer for thinning hair. The fine lather spreads on the scalp surface and reaches deep into the pores to create a condition for intensive care ingredients to penetrate easily. Hair and Scalp Intensive Care. Select by hair or scalp concerns. Salon Solutions Intensive Cream BL for thinning hair. For those who are concerned with waviness or a dry scalp due to chemical treatment. The silky smooth cream gently spreads over the entire scalp to create healthy scalp conditions. Salon Solutions Intensive Gel AD for thinning hair. For those who are concerned about lack of strength and resilience. A rich gel hydrates the scalp, creating scalp conditions for hair with strength and resilience from the roots. 2. Hair Care. A system treatment which achieves unprecedented high performance and long-lasting effect with a step-by-step approach of detox, reform, infuse, and shield to both inside and outside of hair. Hair Care Menu. Select by hair concerns. The optimal treatment service can be personalized for each individual customer by the lineup of menus which take into account how much time she will be spending in the salon and the selection of items based on hair conditions and concerns. Salon Solutions Hair Care is used in combination with each line to tailor the customer's hair concerns. Introducing the product features of Salon Solutions Hair. Surface Peeling Salon Solutions Off Clear. Removes all obstructive elements attached to the hair surface and brings hair back to its bare state. Deep Detox Salon Solutions Out CA. Eliminates the calcium ions that make hair coarse and brings even the inside of hair back to its bare state. Texture Transformation Salon Solutions UpTex. Restores silky smooth hair instantly with active restoring agents. Reforming Care Salon Solutions Deep Smooth. Hair reforming technology corrects the distorted cross-sectional shapes of strands due to damage and creates hair that is smooth with body and resilience. Infusion of repair agents. Select from 4 types of Salon Solutions Infill to tailor to customers' hair concerns. For damaged hair, repairs damage and gives moisture. For colored hair, gives moisture and controls coarseness of colored hair. For unruly hair, enhances softness from inside the hair and makes hair easier to manage. For thinning hair, controls waviness and gives strength and resilience to the roots. Infuses the damaged areas with necessary repair agents based on hair conditions and concerns. The synergy effect with the mask will make the treatment effect last for a long time. Formation of the hydrophobic base. Salon Solutions Wonder Shield in salon. Forms a protective coating on the hair surface to shield the hair from harmful external factors. 3. Scalp Care. Salon Solutions for the Scalp uses cutting-edge skincare technology born from beauty science. We offer a high-quality head spa experience that promotes a healthy scalp for beautiful hair by using items that are based on the customer's scalp condition, concern, and mood. Scalp Care Menu. Select by hair concerns. By selecting items based on the customer's scalp condition and concern, and selecting the aroma that suits her mood, we can personalize the optimal head spa service for each individual customer. Salon Solutions Scalp Care is used in combination with Fuente Forte to tailor to the customer's mood and scalp concerns. Introducing the product features of Salon Solutions Scalp. Deep Cleansing. Select by scalp concern. Salon Solutions Hydrating Oil for Dry Scalp. Gently removes impurities while preventing dryness and deeply hydrating the scalp with a blend of natural oils. Salon Solutions Purifying Clay, Oily Scalp. The natural clay ingredient sticks fast to the excess sebum and impurities of the scalp and removes them thoroughly. Salon Solutions Clarifying Scrub, Dandruff Scalp. Naturally derived scrub ingredient thoroughly removes excess sebum and dandruff. Massage Cream. Salon Solutions Refining Cream, all scalp types. Gives the scalp resilience and elasticity through using our original method while creating a healthy scalp environment for nurturing beautiful hair. Combining with chemical treatment on the same day. Recommended for use after chemical treatment due to the removal of hydrogen peroxide and effects of pH adjustment. Selected according to the customer's mood and using it in combination with oil, clay, scrub, and refining cream. Summary. Salon Solutions has 3 types of care. 1. Advanced care, which focuses on hair lacking volume, strength, and resilience. 2. Hair care, which addresses various hair concerns. 3. Scalp care based on the customer's scalp condition.